Equipping yourself with top-tier power tools can significantly streamline your task completion. When it comes to Milwaukee power tools, their exceptional user-friendly features and unparalleled convenience make them stand out in the industry. In this video, we'll be exploring the 9th installment of our series, showcasing the 10 finest Milwaukee power tools available on the market today. There's no doubt construction workers often get annoyed with unreliable vibrating assistants. Keeping that in mind, Milwaukee designed this big guy. This MX Fuel Vibratory Screeder will change your screening game forever. This tool provides enough power that rivals gas-powered tools. And the best part, it works with all size bars whether it's 12 or 16 feet long. So you no longer have to switch tools between projects. This screeder runs on a red lithium battery pack that lasts just as long as a full tank of gas. Plus, the responsive trigger and ergonomic design ensure comfort and ease throughout your entire project. So do you want to be the envy of all your professional peers? Then get your hands on the MX Fuel Vibratory Screeder and experience the ultimate power. The toughest job requires tough tools to be done. That's where the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Chainsaw comes in handy. This saw is built to meet the needs of professionals in landscape maintenance and power utility, as well as DIYers who demand the best. Thanks to its impressive power and performance, it lets you cut through hardwoods faster than gas-powered chainsaws and allows you to make around 150 cuts on a single charge, meaning you can work for longer without stopping to refuel. And with the 16-inch Oregon bar and chain, this chainsaw is built to last and tackle even the most challenging cutting tasks. Plus, the automatic chain oiler and lubrication system extend the tool's lifespan so you can keep working without interruptions. So don't settle for less than the power, durability, and ergonomic design of this chainsaw. Next on the list is Milwaukee M18 Searchlight, a powerful and versatile handheld flashlight designed to provide exceptional performance and durability in a wide range of environments. This searchlight allows you to spot farther and flood brighter, making it ideal for a variety of applications such as camping, hunting, and emergency preparedness. One of the standout features of the light is its pivoting head, which provides 1250 lumens of TrueView high-definition output and over 730 yards of beam distance to spot objects and areas at a far distance. This makes it an ideal tool for search and rescue operations or for illuminating large outdoor areas. Another impressive feature of the Milwaukee M18 Searchlight is its 4 output modes to suit your specific needs, whether you need to illuminate a wide area or focus on a specific spot. Now let's wrap up today's list with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Paddle Mixer. It's a great concrete mixing solution made for construction pros. First things first, it provides impressive cordless power and easily beats any regular corded one. Thanks to the ergonomic shape and comfy 180-degree handle, you can operate this paddle mixer with ultimate fun. Plus, it equips a high-efficiency brushless motor that generates enough power to mix heavy compounds such as concrete, mortar, thick paints, and all. Not just that, it also provides you with the ultimate speed control, meaning you'll get 3 different ways of controlling speed, getting the cleanest and most consistent mixes for every job. No matter whether you're a low or high heightened person, the 150mm extendable paddle will make the operation cozier. Finally, the onboard fuel gauge and the built-in LED will make your working process safer and more precise. No time to explain. You're surely going to be surprised by the amount of torque and power this tool provides. This Milwaukee MX Fuel Cutoff Saw is an extremely versatile solution for cutting a wide variety of materials. It's great for cutting metal, MC cables, reinforced concrete, and steel studs. Some other features worth mentioning. This tool produces no fumes, so you can use it indoors. Plus, it comes with the M18 switch tank, so you don't need to have a 300-foot hose for a water supply. Hold on, there's more. This battery-powered cutoff saw ensures you will experience no gas headaches. This tool just can cut everything your project throws at you. Let's be frank, this is not your average sanding tool. The Milwaukee M18 sheet sander is optimized for corded type performance and productivity on the job site, delivering unparalleled results that you never thought were possible with a cordless tool. First and foremost, it has an efficient battery that will give you substantial run time to tackle even the toughest sanding tasks. This sheet sander also features a durable cotton dust bag and an advanced dust collecting process that'll make cleaning up a breeze, so you don't need to encounter messy and dusty work areas anymore. Now it's time to experience the ultimate performance and productivity that you've been missing out on. Trust us, your sanding game will never be the same again. Milwaukee MX Fuel Diamond Core Drill. This big tool comes with big power. It simply allows you to core with confidence by delivering AC performance with a maximum core diameter capacity of 152 millimeters wet and dry. It stands for the most demanding jobs around the job site. Thanks to the 2-speed gearing, you can take on multiple applications. Plus, there's laser-etched speed and capacity markings into the metal body and a patented auto-stop clutch that provides best-in-class protection, preventing over-rotating when losing control. On top of that, it has an onboard level sensor that guides the user to achieve a straight and accurate finish whilst horizontal drilling. You'll also get an integrated water line for wet coring, which is compatible with the M18 switch tank interchangeable sprayer and water supply system. Milwaukee Band Saw is a highly efficient and durable cutting tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require precision and speed in their cutting tasks. It comes with a brushless motor and constant power technology, which ensures that the saw maintains a consistent cutting speed even under heavy loads. One of the standout features of this saw is its lightweight design, which weighs only 6.96 pounds with the battery. It is also equipped with a built-in LED work light that illuminates the cutting area, allowing you to work in low light conditions. The variable speed trigger is another useful feature of the Milwaukee Band Saw. It enables you to adjust the speed of the blade. Finally, the Milwaukee Band Saw features integrated plate covers that allow for safe one-handed cutting. Say goodbye to regular metal cutting shears. The Milwaukee Variable Speed Nibbler is here to take the lead. This variable speed nibbler is a revolution for metal cutting. This compact tool may look like the rest, but it's in a league of its own. With the same cutting capacity as its competitors, this nibbler delivers fast, accurate cuts in 16-gauge mild steel, as well as 18-gauge stainless steel and 12-gauge aluminum. But what sets it apart is its ability to outperform heavy applications like 22-gauge spiral duct seams cutting. The variable speed dial provides optimum control for materials of different thicknesses, while the tool-free die holder orientation, changing mechanism, and LED work light increase productivity with absolute comfort. There's an innovative solution for spraying chemicals with ease. The Milwaukee M18 Backpack Chemical Sprayer is part of the Switch Tank interchangeable sprayer and water supply system, which features 3 different tanks: a regular sprayer, a concrete sprayer, and a water supply tank. Interchangeable tank design allows for the same M18 powered base to be used across multiple tanks and applications, delivering a cost-effective and efficient solution. The base is designed with a removable tank which isolates the pump, hose, and wand. Additionally, the battery-powered sprayer eliminates the need for manual pumping, saving time and reducing user fatigue. Meanwhile, the 5-mode adjustable pressure dial delivers ultimate control, allowing users to adjust the pressure between 20 and 120 psi and achieve up to a 7.6 meter spray distance, which is pretty substantial for indoor and outdoor use. Alright, that's the list of the 10 best Milwaukee Power Tools Part 9.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.